You have probably heard the buzz around AI and blockchain this month, but there is one project quietly outpacing them all when it comes to actual developer activity. It's Internet Computer Protocol leading the pack by a huge margin. According to the latest data from Santiment, ICP has recorded 374 GitHub events in the past 30 days. To put that in perspective, the next most active project, OSS, sits at just 40.5, followed by iExec RLC at 35.1. Then come the familiar names like Filecoin, LivePeer, The Graph, Bitensor, Swarms, Flux, and Cubic, all showing steady progress but nowhere near the level of ICP's developer engagement. What this data reflects isn't hype or marketing. It's the kind of consistent public development work that's visible to anyone tracking open source contributions. While high developer activity doesn't automatically mean user adoption or price movement, it does tell us one thing clearly: the builders are here and they are busy. So, in this Saturday special, we are zooming into what's driving this burst of energy around ICP and how projects like Caffeine.ai, Plug Wallet, and even our spontaneous barbershop app story are redefining what decentralized development actually looks like. It's easy to get lost in the noise of crypto headlines like partnerships, price surges, token burns, but development activity tells a different story. It's a slower, steadier metric that often reveals which ecosystems are truly alive beneath the surface. And right now, ICP is standing out for the sheer scale of its ongoing work. Over 370 GitHub events in a month means active code commits, feature additions, and regular updates. That suggests a developer community that's not waiting for the market sentiment. They are building regardless. It's worth noting that GitHub activity doesn't measure project value directly. It's not an investment signal, but it does reflect a project's pulse. For a decentralized network like ICP, this kind of engagement shows an ecosystem maturing in real time. One of the clearest examples of this momentum is Caffeine.ai. It's a platform that's reshaping how people build on ICP. It's essentially a tool that lets users create apps and websites directly on the blockchain, and its newest update adds something quite remarkable. That is multi-modal functionality. Here is what that means. You can now upload diagrams, screenshots, or even documents to help Caffeine understand what you are trying to build. So instead of just describing your app in text, you can show what you mean. Think of it as an AI assisted design partner powered by the Internet Computer's decentralized backend. The update lets developers or even beginners communicate their ideas visually. That could mean uploading a wireframe, a website screenshot, or a sketch on a napkin and letting the system turn that into a functioning structure. Caffeine's founder Dom said the platform will continue to evolve, adding even more powerful features soon. His aim is to make decentralized development approachable, whether you are a full time coder or someone with a concept but no technical background. This isn't about making blockchain sound complicated, it's about making it feel human, making it useful. By integrating multi modal inputs, Caffeine AI isn't just another app builder. It's a bridge, one that connects creativity to code without the friction of traditional development. And because it's running on ICP, everything stays decentralized, secure, and censorship resistant. It's this kind of practical innovation that's giving ICP real momentum right now. Now, while developers are busy building, traders are getting their own upgrade too. Plug Wallet, the browser based wallet built for ICP, recently announced its integration with Hyperliquid. It's a decentralized exchange built on its own high speed Layer 1 blockchain. This integration means users can trade with leverage directly from their Plug wallet without needing to hop onto a separate platform. You can open, manage, and close positions right there, all within your wallet interface. It's a big convenience upgrade. For traders, that's one less login, one less dashboard, and one less chance of error. For the broader ecosystem, it's another example of DeFi becoming smoother and more integrated, less intimidating, more usable. Hyperliquid focuses on high performance perpetual futures trading, which means low latency, high throughput, The collaboration with Plug Wallet gives users a more unified experience, one that feels as straightforward as using a centralized exchange, but with decentralization intact. As DeFi continues to evolve, integrations like this help bridge the usability gap. They make crypto feel familiar without sacrificing the benefits of being open and permissionless. And that's key if decentralized systems are going to reach mainstream adoption. Now, this next story might be my favorite from the ICP ecosystem lately. It's not about metrics or markets, it's about creativity and accessibility. A developer known as RailmanICP was waiting for a haircut. Just an ordinary day at the barber's shop. But while waiting for his turn, he decided to challenge himself to build an app from scratch before his haircut started. And he did it. In just 15 minutes, he built and deployed a small app using Caffeine. He even showed it to his barber, who was fascinated. That spontaneous demo ended up sparking a bigger conversation across the ICP community because it proved something simple but powerful, that blockchain doesn't have to feel distant or overly technical. It can be something you use or even create with while waiting for your turn at the salon. Caffeine's creator Christopher Lunt saw the post and called it a glimpse of what's to come. He said, while the crypto world often focuses on complex systems like cross chain bridges or automated funds, the real opportunity might lie in simplicity. Imagine 10 million barbers, lawyers, bakers, he wrote, each realizing they can build their own booking apps or digital forms or simple business tools. That vision reframes what decentralized tech can do. It's not just for developers or finance professionals, it's for everyone. The idea is that app creation could soon be as easy as writing a node powered by blockchain infrastructure that gives you control, privacy, and data ownership without needing to rent cloud space or rely on big platforms. It's everyday empowerment, not just innovation. So, what ties all this together? From Santiment's data on developer activity to Caffeine's AI powered app builder to Plug's DeFi integration and the Barber's spontaneous project, there's a clear theme: accessibility. ICP's ecosystem seems to be moving towards making blockchain practical, not just powerful. It's about cutting down barriers, speeding up creativity, and showing that decentralization doesn't have to stay confined to crypto insiders. And that's what makes this phase of ICP's journey worth watching. It's not just about who is coding the most, but what those builders are creating and how those creations might quietly change how people use technology every day. That's it for this Saturday special. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep look into how blockchain is transforming everyday tech. And if you want to support us, the donation details are in the description below. Until next time, stay curious, stay decentralized.